Hi everybody, it's Dr. Carol Mattson, and I am sending you a quick video in the event that you have never taken a class using Zoom or Canvas. And even if you have, all teachers do it a little bit differently. So I want to send you a quick video and tell you what to expect just to get on Tuesday by 11:30, okay? So I set up a test email to myself as if I sent it to you. And I've already sent this out to you, but you have this kind of a similar kind of an email from me inviting you to a scheduled Zoom meeting, okay? And on that invitation is a hyperlink, looks like this. And you want to save that email because you might need it, well, you will be using it in the future because we're going to be having numerous Zoom meetings. And you're going to click there. And when you do, usually you get this little pop-up, Open Zoom Meetings. And this should prompt the application for Zoom to start on your phone or on your computer device, whatever you're using. However, it may be beneficial to you to download the Zoom app on your PC, on your Mac, on your phone, again, whatever device you're going to be using prior to doing it this way. It might expedite things for the first time. So open your Zoom meeting. Might take a minute here. And it's going to ask you if you want to join with your computer audio, or you have the choice of using your phone for audio. Okay, so if you're using your phone for Zoom, you're probably not going to use your phone for audio. It's going to be audio and video in your phone app for the Zoom app. But if you're using your PC, I personally have found that sometimes calling in is a little bit more clear than relying on my speakers. I don't have really expensive speakers. So that's your choice, but you want to check and test your speakers and your microphone. Yeah, I hear a ringtone, yes. Yeah. I can hear myself speak, yes. Join with computer audio. Okay, that's done. There's also a little icon down at the bottom, and I can't do this while my Screencast-O-Matic is recording video because I only have one video camera. But there's a little icon down at the bottom, and if I uncheck it, then I get to see myself or you get to see yourself on Zoom. And that would be my preference. So a lot of people don't want anybody to see their messy rooms or whatever. And there's a little up arrow, and you can actually choose a virtual background, which is fine. You can even upload images. I have an image of my dog at Christmas time, or a rose that I took in my backyard. So you can upload virtual images if you don't want to see what's real behind you. Okay, so plan to do that, and I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, 11:30 on Zoom. If you have any questions before then, please, please, please don't hesitate. Send me an email, call me. That information has been sent to you, and we'll work through this, and we will have fun and learn at the same time. You have a good weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday. Bye-bye.